Welcome to Cybrary. I am Raymond Evans and I will be your host for Cybrary's Web Application Penetration Testing course. In this video we will be discussing introductions. So what will be covered? I'm going to talk about who I am and I'm going to talk about some assumptions about this course and some expectations I have. So who am I? Well, my name is Raymond Evans. I'm a hacker and coffee enthusiast and tech junkie. I hold certificates in Security Plus, GCIH, and GWAPT. Security Plus is, of course, Security Plus, and GCIH is Incident Handling. I'm a certified incident handler. And GWAPT is Web Application Penetration Testing. I actively perform web application penetration testing for a company out in St. Louis, and I also actively perform network penetration testing as well. I host a podcast called the Cydef Cybersecurity Podcast, and I organize CTFs for the MCPA St. Louis chapter. So what are some of my assumptions about this course? Well, this is not a basic course. It's kind of more advanced. You have to know how to use a bunch of different tools or be able to learn how to use different tools pretty quickly. You have to at least have a basic knowledge of Linux and be comfortable using the command line. So you have to know things like ifconfig, ls, mkdir, cat, vi, or nano, whichever is your preference, and things like that. You have to know how to use command line and be comfortable with it. Like use command line constantly, and you should be using it too if you're in a Linux environment. You should also be familiar with VM software. We will be using VirtualBox, and you should be aware of how to set it up and make changes to the VMs comfortably. You should also be able to configure your browser's proxy settings in the network settings portion of your browser. This will come in handy when we're using tools like Burp Suite and Zap because those tools use the 127.0.0.1 address as a proxy. So gotta know how to do that. So what was covered? I talked about who I am and I talked about some assumptions for this course. Happy hacking, everyone, and I hope you have a lot of fun with this course. It's going to be a good time. You're going to learn some awesome stuff, and you're going to learn some really fun techniques and get to try some different things out. Get your hands nitty-gritty and dirty. So, web app pen testing. Woo! Let's do this!